So basically, the word artificial intelligence is made for your learning friend, computer. What is computer? Do you know? We have been learning computer, we have been working on computer. You all know that computer is an electronic device. And computer always works based on the raw material that you give to the computer, and then it does certain processing for you, and of course when the processing is done, it gives you beautiful outputs. It could be in the form of documents, it could be in the form of music, it could be in the form of videos, and it can be in the form of different drawings. Yes. Now, how does computer work for you? So, by now, you have already learned that computer is the electronic device. It is an automatic machine which works for you with the help of electricity. Right, children? And today we are going to learn a new term. What is that new term? The new term is artificial intelligence. So before we start, first raise your hand and tell me how many of you are intelligent. I am very intelligent. Oh, I could see every hand on. Wow, great. So, my children, you all are very intelligent, and we all are going to talk a new concept, that is artificial intelligence, because computer is not intelligent at all. Then how does it work for you? That's another question that comes in your mind, isn't it? It works for you because you transfer your intelligence to the computer, and computer become a smart, fast working machine, and that is called artificial intelligence of the computer. So in today's class, we are going to learn about what is artificial intelligence, and we'll be exploring so many examples of artificial intelligence. So are you ready for the new magical learning? Yay! Wonderful. So come on, let's begin the session. First, I am going to tell you the definition of artificial intelligence. Say with me, what is the new term you are learning? It's artificial intelligence. Okay? Now, what is this artificial intelligence, children? The ability is the capacity. Just look at the spelling. A-B-I-L-I-T-Y. Write in your notebook. The ability of computer machine to think and learn is called artificial intelligence. Right? That means computer doesn't have brain to think. It's only a machine which works on your instructions. So your instructions should be so smart, so prompt, and of course these instructions are to be stored in the memory of computer so that it works like a smart machine. Right? Understood? Show me your thumbs up. Great. Now, we are going to talk about so many things which work on the basis of artificial intelligence, and I'll tell you how these things work with artificial intelligence. So, we talk about the washing machine first. You know, everyone has a washing machine at home. Your mama washes clothes in the washing machine. Okay, tell me how she washes the clothes. She just put all the dirty clothes inside the machine, and then she press some buttons on it. Is she pressing the buttons? Did you ever saw it? I could see your nodding heads. Great. So children, your washing machine is given the instructions by pressing certain buttons of it, and then you can go and enjoy your television program. So what's happening at the back end? you have given the artificial intelligence to your washing machine that it will stop there, it will take the water, it will spin, it will wash, it will rotate, and it will dry your clothes. And every work is done, all work is done so automatically that you didn't know even how smartly all the clothes which were dirty turned into clean clothes. Yes? So that's all that's happening with the artificial intelligence which we have provided to the washing machine. Now, second thing is air conditioner. Children, that is also automatic temperature controller. You know what happens when it's very hot? You can't sit in the hot weather. You just press a button and your room temperature start turning into cool. And when it is too cold, your room temperature turns into a hot temperature with the help of AC. So there exists a automatic temperature controlling system which makes the temperature of your room just normal so that you are at ease. Isn't it? Yes. And that is because your AC, your air conditioner, is a smart machine having artificial intelligence which some engineers have provided it. You are just pressing few buttons, and by pressing these buttons, your AC helps you to control the temperature of your room. That's it. So another machine is there, and this machine is called your smart refrigerator. What do you do with that refrigerator? You store your cold drinks. Yes, I could hear you are saying cakes. Yes, yummy cakes are stored in it so that you could enjoy it. Your drinks, your beverages, and even the ice cream is stored. So do you know they have different places to store different things? When you have to store some, you have to store some ice cream, it has to be kept in the freezing area. Otherwise, the lower temperature is different, the upper temperature of your freezer is different. So how it happens? How your fridge has become so smart? Have you ever given a thought on it? I could hear your answer. The same answer, artificial intelligence. Beautiful. That means the concept of artificial intelligence is clear. And your turtle is also smiling. He's also understanding. I think it has also become an artificial intelligence turtle. Yes? Now, we talk about our smartphones. So children, everyone have smartphone in the house? Oh, I could see you are saying I have 5 smartphones. Every person has a smartphone these days. But have you ever thought how these smartphones work for you? Again, because it's able to recognize the speech, whatever you speak, that goes in the smartphone. Then it's able to recognize the image as well. Voice recognition, sound recognition, image recognition, everything is there. And whatever you type there, it reaches to different part of the globe in just fraction of seconds. Such a smart machine. How it has become smart? Now I could see your lips moving saying artificial intelligence. Wonderful. Now, what are robots, children? The world is becoming robotic. Everything is controlled by the machine. So robots are there to do lot of work for you. Yes, when you go to some big industries, you could see the packing work is done in a very hygienic and robotic way. So these machines are working in a robotic manner because they are trained that after this much seconds they are going to pick the object, pour it in some container, seal it, deliver it, make the package, and so lots many work. You know, even once I visited the newspaper printing press, I saw the entire system, which was earlier manually, has changed to a robotic system. The newspapers are cut, they are printed, they are packed, they are folded, everything automated. And that's how the robots work. So again, I could hear you saying, is this a artificial intelligence? Yes, that's the artificial intelligence which we are providing to the robots, and they are making your work easy and full of comfort. Now we come to the next thing, your smart cars and drones. You know, have you seen drones? Yes, they make recording when you go for some good parties. They are moving above your heads, doing the recording. So, when you just click a button of the remote in your hand, it lands down. Sometimes it rises up by just pressing few buttons. It moves around the area where you want it to fly. That is all happening because by clicking the buttons, you are just providing them artificial intelligence. Remember, children, machines are not smarter than you. You are much, much, much more capable because you are making the machine smart. Got it? Great. And same thing happens with video games. So when you play video games, could you see that you are competing with the computer most of the time and you feel, I'm tired. That means your computer game is made so smart that even if you yourself who has made the game compete with the game, you feel I am not able to do so fast as the computer game is playing with you. And most of the time, computer game wins over you. That's how we have made the computer game so smart, so intelligent, and we say computer is smart machine. And this is called artificial intelligence provided to your video games. Google Maps, which we use for navigation, another very ease which has added to our journey. Yes? So, what is Google Map? Whenever you want to reach any destination, everyone says, okay, we are coming, we are turning on the Google Maps. What is Google Map? That's the satellite which is just giving all the instructions to your smartphone so that you could reach the destination with ease, with comfort. Understood? So, that's called Google Maps. Another very important example of artificial intelligence. Great. And of course, these days we take care of the securities with the security cameras, which you might see in the buildings. Even in the houses, we do have the cameras which just keep on recording and keep you safe. Yes, and this is all done because these cameras are attached to your screens and they provide the artificial intelligence to you so that you could just see whatever is happening around you. So, this is called another example of artificial intelligence. So, I believe you have understood the concept of artificial intelligence by now. So, come on, let's do the exercise and have fun. What is it? Oh, I gave you the example of newspaper. You remember? So, newspaper is not the artificial intelligence, but yes, we print newspaper with the help of robots. It is not a artificial intelligence. Remember? So, we write here no. And what about the smartphone? Yes, it is the example of artificial intelligence. Water, what do you say? I could see you smiling. Correct, it is not artificial intelligence at all, children. And then we come at cameras. Yes, it is the example of artificial intelligence. And what is this? What is this? You know, this is Google Map. Correct. When we navigate, we use the artificial intelligence in Google Maps. Now, let's match them and see. Most of the things you know what are they. Come on. Drone. Could you find drone? Good. Drone is here. And then smart car. It's here for you. Roberts. Where are the robots? Could you see the robot? Yes, it's at A location. Very good. I could hear you saying A. And what about security camera? It's B. Okay, okay, okay. Let me check. Yes, wonderful. Yes. And Google Maps perfectly said it is C part. So that shows that you have recognized every image very nicely and the concept of artificial intelligence is clear to you. Now you are going to tell everyone that computer is not a smart machine. We are more smart than computer and we provide artificial intelligence to the computer and then it starts working. Okay, see you next time. Happy learning. I believe you'll remember you are a smart child. Goodbye.